One here. 2011 Hyundai Sonata. Well, one, the key don't come out of the ignition. So I told him I could probably fix that. But we have no check engine light. They said it starts. Okay, battery's shot. But on here we get this P0650. Go, let's see, recodes. It says history, but I wonder if their battery charger's not on. Let's see what our battery voltage is. Oh, it's not on. That's why. We'll put that on. And where is that at the top? It's called battery voltage. Oh, 8.5 volts. That's not good. It's not plugged in or something. This is on. Why is this not on? Let me call him real quick, see if there's something we gotta turn on for here, because we're not in my shop. The battery voltage come up. You can see it says 12.17 there. That says 11.9. It says the indicator is supposed to be on right now, as you can see. So they said the battery dies on here because the ignition's stuck on, but they need to get approval to fix it. So let's see. So if I shut this off, turn it on, no bulb check, right? I mean, no check engine light. And if I look on here, it says it's on all the time. Let's see if I turn the key off, it says off, and there it says on. So I'm wondering if we got an instrument cluster issue here. Let's see, let's go back. Let's go to our instrument cluster, if we have one. Cluster. Let's see, activation test. Oh, I don't think I can turn it on there. Let's see, read data stream. This may not control it. This might all just come right from the PCM. So let's see. I'm gonna look up in repair information real quick, see if I can get a diagram. Here we go. So the MIL right here goes to pin 6. See that pin 6? But if we look, it comes up here and goes to all these other ones. So oil pressure works, or our brake light I think worked, and our charging worked. We're charging right here. I guess diode. So they all work. So that means, since they all share, I guess, a common ground. I guess it would be ground, or is that power? I don't know. So we need to check this pin 6 right here that goes to this engine control system. I guess Mitchell's working finally. So we'll check pin 6. See where this goes. Should have highlighted it for us. Maybe. Sound like a different page. There it is, MIL. MIL indicator. So this fuse 7.5, we can check that, but that's probably good. I feel like our bulb's probably bad. Let me go look for this thing. Instrument panel junction box. Look right here, we want our module 1 7.5 amp right below the 15, right next to a 10. So that is right here. We check that. That is good. Check the other one. Other side. So that is good. So our power is good. So I think we might pull this cluster out, just check, see. I think it's gonna be quicker and easier, just check at the cluster thing. Cutting the harness open at the PCM and that, because if we need a bulb, it's gonna be all right there. And if something's missing right here, then it's gonna be right here. They're out. Here's what it looks like. I took the cover off. It looked like somebody was in here before. I didn't get to open it all the way up, but I saw like pry marks and stuff around the outside, and like scratches. Like there's a bunch of scratches like right here and stuff. So it looks like this was out before. don't know, I wanted to take these off and see if we can see which ones, because it was so quick. Because the wiring diagram didn't look like it was matching. I just want to see if somebody like broke the LED or something in here. Let's see, can we see this? Yeah, let's see. Let me grab a flashlight, make it easier to see which one's which. Just want to see where the LED's at. Or if it is an LED. Set this up here. Lift this up. Look at that. So where's our check engine light? I don't think our check engine light's in that one. Is it in this bottom one? Oh, here it is. Check engine light. Oh, and it's a bulb. Is it blown? Wonder if we can pull that out. It's just a regular 74 bulb, it looks like. Maybe we can pull that out. Maybe the bulb's just blown. And we don't have to check it, because this is like a 2-minute job. Let me see if I have some. I use my bulb puller. These things are awesome. Here's the part number if you guys want it. It's ZCT1012C. I think I got them out the Cornwall truck, but the rubber's coming apart on them. So what I did was I took the bulb out from the, I don't know where it went. It was blown. I have no idea where that bulb, oh here it is. Bulb was completely blown. There you go, you see it, it's completely blown. If it focuses. There you go, now you can see it's blown. It's not making contact. Like bent out to one side. So I took the, I think it was the seat. No. Light, what's that? Oh, that was the low oil light. Yeah, low oil light. Took the low oil light and moved that over to the check engine light. So now if we set this back in place, stick this back in the car, it should work. Let's see. Let me set this up here in place real quick. Oops. Lost the cover. Come on. There we go. Look at that. Check engine light is now on. So yeah, I hope you guys like that. Just bulbs. 74 bulbs they look like. So I hope you guys like this one. Kind of quick. Easy. See you guys later. Sometimes you just need to look at the visual. Visual inspection sometimes is easier than going crazy. See you guys later.